In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Fortnite Chapter 7 freezing mid-game. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But it can be really annoying whenever you're playing Fortnite and you're just constantly freezing, anything like that. So there's a few things that you're going to want to go ahead and do. Firstly, go over to your settings like so, and then make sure you're in full screen mode and not windowed full screen. I'm only doing this because I'm recording right now, but full screen mode is going to be the area where you're going to be lagging the least and you're getting the best FPS. Next, set your frame rate limit to the highest you can that matches your monitor. For example, if your monitor is 240 FPS, switch that to 240 FPS as well. Another thing you want to go ahead and do is put on show FPS, see if you're lagging, whether it's FPS based or whether it's like internet based and like ping based, so that way you'll know. And what you also want to do is go over to the fourth tab, which is the game tab. Make sure you're on the right matchmaking region. I don't like having it on auto. I like forcing it on the exact one I want so that you're not on the wrong one. And the final thing I want to do, if you're on PC, go ahead and go out of Fortnite, and then I want to open up the Epic Games launcher like so. Then scroll down in my library to Fortnite, so I'm going to find it right now. It's right here. Press these three little dots, click on manage, and then click on verify files, which is going to make sure that it has all the right files installed, that everything's working properly, and if there's anything missing, it's going to reinstall those files, and then you'll be good to go. The final thing I'd also recommend is make sure you don't have anything else running in the background, whether it comes to any games or any like large processes, like an editing software or anything like that. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.